Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 25 on group theory. In this lecture we are going to discuss about homomorphism of groups. So first we define what is homomorphism. So homomorphism is a function from one group to another group. Suppose we have two groups, say capital G and capital H, and suppose G is a group under binary operation denoted by star, and H is a group under the binary operation denoted by delta. Then homomorphism from group G to group H is a function which satisfies this condition. If we take value of this function f at point A star B, where A and B are elements of group G. So for any two elements A and B in G, A star B is also a member of G because G is a group, and if f is a homomorphism, then this is equal to f of A delta f of B. So because f is a function from G to H, these two f of A and f of B are elements of capital H, and H is a group under the binary operation delta. Therefore this element is also in H. So if these two elements are equal, then we can say that this function f is a homomorphism from group G to group H. So this binary operation in G is star, so here we are writing A star B because A and B are elements of G, and binary operation of H is delta, so we are writing f of A delta f of B because f of A and f of B are in H. Suppose binary operation of group G is addition and binary operation of H is multiplication, then we will have this condition: f of A plus B equals f of A into f of B. So we will remember this definition for homomorphism. Let G with star and H with delta be two groups. A mapping or function f from G to H is called a homomorphism from group G to group H if for any elements A, B in group G, f of A star B equal to f of A delta f of B. Now suppose this function is 1, 1 and onto. We have discussed about 1-to-1 and onto functions in the lecture series on functions. So if this homomorphism is 1-to-1 and onto also, then it is known as isomorphism. So isomorphism is a function from f from G to H which is homomorphism as well as 1-to-1 and onto. So if this extra condition is satisfied, that function is 1-to-1 and onto, then f will become an isomorphism, and this group G and H are said to be isomorphic. If there exists an isomorphism from G to H, then G and H are said to be isomorphic, and we write in this way: G is isomorphic to H. Now we understand this definition with the help of this example. Suppose we consider two groups, G equal to set of real numbers under addition and H equal to set of positive real numbers under multiplication, and we define a function from G to H by fx equal to 2 raised to x. Here x is in the domain which is G and it is set of real numbers. So for every real number we can find out 2 raised to power that real number. So this is well defined function. So this is a function from R to R plus, and we want to check whether this is a homomorphism or not. So this function is a homomorphism if we take any two elements in the domain which is G here, and G is set of real numbers. If for any xy in the set of real numbers, if f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. The operation in group G is addition and x and y are elements of G, so here we use x plus y. Fx and fy are elements of H, and in H binary operation is multiplication, so here we are writing fx into fy. So if we want to prove that this function f is a homomorphism, we have to show that f of x plus y equal to fx into fy. So that I have shown here. Instead of x and y, I have taken this notation. I am taking two elements denoted by a and b in group G, and I have to show that f of a plus b equal to f of a into f of b. So first we write down f of a plus b by the definition of f. Fx is 2 raised to x, therefore instead of x here we have a plus b, so f of a plus b is 2 raised to a plus b. This we can rewrite as 2 raised to a into 2 raised to b. Now 2 raised to a is f of a and 2 raised to b is f of b. Therefore we have shown that for any two elements in group G, f of a plus b equal to f of a into f of b. Therefore this function f from G to H is a homomorphism, and you can check that this function is 1 to 1 and onto also. Therefore it is an isomorphism. Okay, we have seen how to check whether function is 1 to 1 and onto. So using the definition of 1 1 and onto function, you can check that this function is 1 1 and onto also, and it is homomorphism. Therefore it is an isomorphism, and therefore group G and H are isomorphic.